Okay, another attempt at doing the video for the Vogue tires. 3 issues. 1, gas mileage. It will drop. Mine has dropped about 3-4 miles per gallon. Not a big deal considering the beautiful tire, but it's still a deficit. Cleaning the tire, not that easy, even with the Vogue tire cleaner. You've got to basically really get down there on your hands and knees and really get in there. You use a nylon brush, or you can use a wire brush. You know what? By the time that tire gets so-called damaged by the wire brush, it'll be time for a new one anyway. So don't worry about it. If you don't want to use the Vogue tire cleaner, get the Wesley's. I've been using Wesley's for years. Thought I would try the Vogue, and I can't say it's really that much of a benefit. And I definitely can't condone spending the extra $25 for the Vogue when I get the Wesley's, and it will do just fine. Now the third item is flaking. The tire on the sides will flake. Of course it's on the side. The white is fine. It's the black part that's right above the white that will flake and chip. I can see them from here. Probably nobody else, if I asked coming by me, would be able to. So I'm not going to worry about that. Those are just 3 issues that I wanted to bring up and actually document so that I do have it for future reference. If you get the Vogue tires, your gas mileage is going to drop a bit. If you get the Vogue tires, it's going to be hard to clean those white walls. If you get Vogue tires, be prepared to see little chips in the sidewall. I got a marker that's black that should be able to fill that in just fine. And it, at least I won't see it. So, just a little update on the Vogue tires. Loving them though, they're beautiful. They're like a model. A model's beautiful, right? You know what I mean? I've dated a lot of models and I know, so. Vogue tires are a lot like the model. Very pretty, but they have their issues. Like anything else, right? There's a big stick in the way, but just disregard that. It's like the 4th time already I've been trying to do this.